Hey, baby. How's it going?
Yeah.
It's okay?
Yeah.
What's that?
I forgot to remove some screw. So.
Yeah. Is it easy?
No.
But you have to like take this thing away.
Of course I have to paint this one again.
And here is my fiance's like scrapping workshop, and mine is out there. So here he has everything and so many tools, and as fast we can move this to there, he will have much more space, right, honey?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So I'm gonna start help him to film videos of his scrapping, so he doesn't have so much to think about. So yeah, we will return when Johnny is almost done. Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye. Alright, my folks, here is that one of the old tape recorder to a car I found it for a long time ago. It's a combined MP3, CD, radio with big display, and you have here backside. I already prepared everything for opening up, so yep, you're gonna see what's inside soon. I just empty my stuff from the table and so on. Hold on and see you in a second. So let's see what we have inside this thing. Okay, that part, oh, okay, here is the CD part that you can remove. No. Oh, I see a lot of gold inside. Now we just need to, okay, push thread. Here is the circuit board. It's looking good, a lot of gold.
Yeah, that's very good.
That's that part. Now we just need to open up to see what's inside here. And I see really small screws. I need to open that first before I continue.
It's much things right here too.
Hold on. Oh, okay. Here is the CD part. And you can remove. No. Oh, I see a lot of gold inside. Now we just need to, okay, push thread. There is a circuit board. It's looking good, a lot of gold.
I see? Yeah, that's very good.
It's that part. Now we just need to open up to see what's inside here. And I see really small screws. I need to open that first before I continue.
It's much things right here too.
Hold on.
Gold, a lot of things. And a lot of things here.
If you don't have tools, you have to come with ideas.
But you're so smart, so you can do everything. Right.
I'm smart.
You're very pretty. What's the screw?
It's a very small one.
Yeah.
And,
you don't have tools for that?
yes, but it's somewhere, I don't know where.
Okay. Yeah.
I have my toolbox there, but...
Yeah. What's under here?
Probably a circuit board with gold.
Yeah, it looks like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Positive.
And I'm helping my boyfriend a little bit right now. Today.
So, alright. I just removed all the small screws with a cutter because I didn't find my tools. So let's open this up. We have a big shred plate and some plastic. And of course, I do see another of those small screws. So I need to remove those again. And how to do it, because I don't have any tools right now. So I have to use it with my cutter. Twist, twist, twist all the way. And yeah, and I'll get back to you when I'm done with this. I'm gonna take me some 5 minutes or so. Okay, finally, I got this open. Now I just need to, okay, what's the button? Another button. What is this? Come on. Ah, there was one screw here left, of course. But anyway, we do a scrappy thing, we just pop it. Alright, now we got finally get the board from the front display. As you see, we have a lot of gold contact all the way, all the buttons. And we have some small IC chips, and we have some gold contact there. And some small buttons everywhere. I also checked, so it is not full cold. But there's a lot of copper. We have one MLCC there, and this kind of main board. I guess. Come on. There we go. Here we have a nice IC chips. That's a good one. The small MLCCs, and also this thing. The power board. We have a nice aluminium heatsink at the back, and we do have a lot of gold as you see. Also in the back, a lot of IC chips. We have really big MLCCs. One golded crystal oscillator right there, a small one, and we have some copper there. We have another copper inside here. Maybe you can see it from this direction. There you go, you see. I have not looked for this one, but I guess this is brass. Could be gold plated pins, the small ones in there. I'm not opened this up yet, so I don't know. And here we have the CD-ROM. It's kind of standard, you know, nothing very exclusive in here. Probably some copper in the spinning here. We have a small motor and copper in there, and small IC chips that I'm gonna remove. So this was the CD cassette MP3 thing for a car. I don't know the brand because it's not standing what kind of brand it is. Anyway, a lot of screws, some plastic and other junks. So, but it's really good. You can do a scratch test while you're here with me to see how's it look. Nothing spectacular, only the gold when it is, a lot of small buttons, gold here. So yeah, that's it. And where's the gun? There it is. Hold on, I gotta do this. So here we go. Thank you for watching, and hope you see you next time for a new scrapping video. And don't forget, like, share and subscribe to my channel and help me to reach next level, about 7,000. So please do everything you can do to help me to rise my channel to go up. Thank you and love you again. Until next time, see you.